Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just another update on my Quaker Parrots. I've recently replaced my old cage with this new one as the old one was really low, and I even found a mouse in my house because the parrot's food and leftovers were falling on the floor. So for that reason I decided to change their cage and put a stand on it so it becomes higher. I've always wanted to have a big cage in my house so that my parrots can move around freely. But I usually keep my cage open so that my entire house is a cage for them. So you can see that this cage is a lot more practical and higher. I think they are more happier living in this cage as there is more room for them to roam around. Aside from this, I've been noticing that Gugu has been trying to build a nest on my shelf for some time. He likes moving these sticks and twigs onto the shelf to make a little nest. I enjoy watching him doing this, and I quite like that he's always busy and moving sticks to build his little nest, but the other parrot has no interest. I think it's because the other parrot is quite young, so he's not as mature as Gugu, as he's only 8 months old. Gugu is around 2 years old, so he's pretty mature. You can see that when I try to give him a stick, he just puts it on his shelf. Although they have a bit of an age difference, both my Quaker Parrots are very happy with each other's company, and I like watching them grow and develop. I think that Gugu's nest is slowly coming into shape. If you enjoy watching my parrot update videos, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and please let me know what other videos you want to see from me.